guys, most especially to my subscribers, to my viewers and likers. This time, I'm going to share with you on how to cook special spaghetti Filipino style with sweet sauce, because today it's my Tita Helen's 57th birthday. Happy birthday, Tita Helen! This is our ingredients, guys, for my special spaghetti for birthday party. I have here 1 1/2 kilo of Italian spaghetti noodles. You can use any brand. I have here 1 kilo of ground beef, and of course the Maggi beef cubes, 1 cup of fresh milk, 1 can of Carnation Evap 410 grams, and of course Del Monte quality Filipino style or sweet sauce, 3 pack, each 500 grams. And I have also here Del Monte Tomato Sauce, 1 liter. And of course, my forsana shredded cheese, 500 grams. My shredded Eden Craft cheese, 1 cup. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of olive oil, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 cup of garlic, 800 grams of hot dog. You can use any types of hot dog, guys. So this is our ingredients, guys. Now after 10 minutes, guys, we're going to check our noodles if already cooked. So there you have it. Our noodles is already okay. Let's check. So already cooked. So let's drain our noodles, guys. And now I'm going to drain, guys. Just drain the noodles. Okay, just like that. Okay, so just drain. And now, guys, I'm going to start making our special spaghetti sauce. Of course, we have to put our olive oil. Let's wait in a few minutes until our oil is hot. And now, let's put our ground beef. Let's mix our onions and garlic to combine the ingredients. Of course, our pepper. beef cubes. And of course, our salt. Let's cover, guys, and simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, guys, okay, we're going to add our Americana hot dog. Just mix it. And of course, we're going to add our Del Monte Filipino style sweet sauce. And also our Del Monte Tomato Sauce. And our fresh milk. Let's mix, guys, in order to combine all our ingredients. Just mix it, guys. This is my special spaghetti with sweet sauce. Of course, it is Filipino style. The sweet sauce. I knew that all Filipinos love spaghetti Filipino style having a sweet sauce. Of course, let's cook let's simmer our spaghetti sauce. And now, guys, we're going to add our Carnation Evaporated Milk. To make it more creamy or creamier. And of course, our shredded Italian cheese to make it more delicious. And our half cup of white sugar. So let's just mix all, guys, in order to And now, guys, I'm going to mix our spaghetti noodles in our sauce. Okay. There you have it. Just mix the noodles in our spaghetti sauce until our noodles absorb the sauce. Just mix it, guys. Continue mixing. That is the spaghetti. Yummy. It's creamy. Just continue mixing it, guys. Okay. And now it's done, and we're going to transfer in our bowl or any container. So now this is my special spaghetti Filipino style with sweet sauce. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share all my videos, guys. God bless us always.